guys, welcome to all of you here once again. And now we are going to install pycharm IDE. For installation of pycharm, you just need to open up your browser and go to search bar and type here pycharm. Just hit enter. Now this is the first link that you will see here, which is jetbrains.com, and this is the official website of pycharm, and you can download pycharm from here. Click on it. And now you will see here the website has been opened, and there is a download button at top right corner. Just click on it, and it will take you to the next page. And here you will see there are different categories of download available under this download python. You can see here this is for by default is window, and if you want to download for mac or linux, then you will need to click on it mac, or if you want to download for linux, then you will click on linux. But I am using windows operating system, so I'll click on windows operating system. Then here you will see there are more two options available. One is professional and second one is community, but we will use community version because this is free version and open source. The professional version is for trial. You can see here trial version, and after that you need to pay them. So I am going to download community version. Just click on download button, and it will start the downloading of pycharm. So click on download, start download. So I have downloaded this already, and so I'll go to the my download folder and I'll click on pycharm community. So just click on it, and it will. You should just click on yes and click on next. And it is asking you that the space required by this software is 537 megabytes. So click on next, and here you will see the different options are available. One is for desktop shortcut and update context menu and associate create associations. So just I am want to create a desktop short icon, so I'll click on 34-bit 64-bit launcher, and here is association. I don't want it. This association means create a association. It means if you want to create any file that is on the system .py extension and associate with this pycharm. So I don't want to associate any .py file with this pycharm. So I'll uncheck this and click on next, install. So as you can see, the pycharm has been installed successfully. So just click on finish button. Just go to the search bar and click pycharm, and it will open up your pycharm IDE. So here you will see two options are of available. If you have already installed, then you need to import settings, but I don't have installed already, so I will click on don't import settings and click OK. And here you will see there are two windows available. One is for light and second with Dracula. So it depends on your choice which window you want to use. So I want to use this window, light window. So click on next feature, and here are different types of plugins available if you want to install any of them. I don't want to install any of them, so I'll skip this and open this will open your pycharm. So here you will see some options available if you want to create new project or open your project. So I want to create new project, so click on new project, and here your project name. I'll type my first project, and then click on create. So now your project has been created, and it will take some time because we are running this for the first time, and it is going to. So now the environment has been created, and here are tips available if you want to see them. I don't want to see them, so I'll close them, and you can see the project has been created. And under this project I'll create .py file. So for creating my first Python file, right click on this first project, go to new, and then click on Python file. So name this Python file, and name this any name that you want to give him. I'll give him name the hello, and don't give here .py extension because it is already Python file. So click on OK. So now your first Python file under first project has been created. So for checking this, I'll write print function and want to print hello world. So then click Ctrl S for saving your file. Then right click here. So this is for now, and we will practically implement our different program on this pycharm. So if you have any suggestion or if you have any query, you can go to comment section and comment your suggestion, and if you face any problem you can also comment there. I will try to solve it. Thanks.